if I was a defender, how was I detecting this attack? If the parent process is CMD or PowerShell, and the child process and NTDS whatever, prevent it. Okay, let's create a shortcut, which again, if I run it as a shortcut, as you can see, the parent process now, it's not CMD, not PowerShell, it's Explorer exit. So for Sentinel-1, it was enough. I could use the regular, well-known command sequence and bypass it.
Hey everyone, Yaniv Hoffman here, and today we are diving into one of the most dangerous and misunderstood parts of cybersecurity, malware. And joining me is someone who lives and breathes this topic, Uri Elkosayev, a malware analyst, a reverse engineer, founder of Trendsec Academy, and author of Malware Analysis on Steroids. I have it here, and super recommended. We are going to speak a lot about it. And he wrote another book that unfortunately I don't have it here, Antivirus Bypass Techniques.